Hello, third grade. Happy Thursday. Welcome to Language Arts. Today we are continuing with working on our compound words. So this will be our last day working with compound words. So let's do a little bit of a review. So remember, a compound word is a word that combines two or more distinct words to create a new word with a specific meaning. So we're taking one word plus another word, putting it together, and we're getting a new word. So these are the examples that we went over Tuesday. So we'll just go over the first one, rain plus coat. These are two words that can stand by themselves, but when we add it together, we're making a new word, raincoat. And it has a different meaning as well because it is a new word. So as we're going to be going over compound words, we're going to be practicing trying to make one in a sentence. So complete the compound word, it says. The time a show begins is its blank time. So they're showing us the words in bold. Those are the words that we want to make the compound word over. So we combine them. The time a show begins is its show time. So we see in this sentence, they already have time here. So they have the second part of the compound word, but we had to add the first part. And they highlighted the first two words, and they'll highlight some of the other words, but towards the end, we have to figure out on our own. So here it goes, the time a show begins is its show time. So we made our own compound word. Another example would be snowman. We're making a compound word from two smaller words. Snow plus man equals snowman. If you don't know the meaning of a compound word, look at the two smaller words. They can also help us understand the meaning. So a snowman is a man made out of snow. So we're going to be working on having our compound word and then breaking it up and figuring out what it means. So let's do some examples together. So as we're forming and making our own compound words, we have to look at the instructions. Sometimes they'll tell us to complete the compound word, which means they already have one of the two words, and we have to figure out what is the other word. Or they say type the compound word, and that's where we're going to have to type both of the words together. So let's look. A tub this says complete the compound word, so we're just typing in either the first or the second word. A tub that you take a bath in is a blank tub. So a tub, what kind of tub would you use to take a bath? It would be a bathtub. So then I see they have tub already, so I just have to add the first part, except it doesn't look like it is together, but here, let me see if we can fix it. There would be originally no space, so this is our new compound word. So we're taking a tub, which is right here, and you take a bath in it. That is our bathtub. So we're taking two parts, and we're putting it all together to make our compound word. That's when we're completing the compound word. Now they're asking us here to type the compound word. A berry that is almost black is so now we're talking about a specific berry, but what kind of berry? A blackberry. So then here we would go and type, we would type blackberry. So black is my first word, and since it's a compound word, I don't have any spaces in between the two words, and I'd say berry. So we had to look in our sentence and find what are the two words that go together to make our compound word. A berry that is almost black is a blackberry. So that's where we typed the full compound word. Now we're completing the compound word, which means they're giving us a part. We have to find the other part. So a light that tells you to stop or go is a stop. So it's what kind of thing? It is a light, so it would be a stop light. So remember, they're asking for a part of it. We're completing the word. We're not typing the whole compound word. So this is the first part. This is the second part. Together, they give us stoplight. And both of the words will be in the sentence. We just have to find which ones we put together. But now we're not completing it. We're typing the compound word. So a blank is a weight that holds down paper. So what is it doing? It is a weight that holds down paper. So when we type this compound word, it's going to be a paper weight. So we're going to go paper weight gives us our compound word. So they're saying we can look at the compound word to figure out the definition. It is a weight that holds paper, and we see that right in our compound word. So make sure to take your time, look at each sentence carefully. We're either going to be completing the compound word or typing the whole compound word, not just a part. So have fun with it and take your time reading, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, third grade.